Okay. It's still pretty good numbers. I mean.
Bueno,
considering the frequency of bees, like how often you come across them, like we didn't expect that.
Me as in general, or
Bees and like
feral hives. On here, I tell folks out of 10 households, there will be 3 houses with a beehive that goes unnoticed. Especially houses that are 2-story, that are up high. People usually don't look up there, or people work throughout the weekend and they don't notice that the beehive's there. So whenever there's a stinging incident, they go unnoticed. Just like here, unless you frequent this room in the back, you really wouldn't see the magnitude of the hive. And the homeowners think it was just this outside that's the actual hive, which is impressive. I mean, for being an exposed hive, that's just immaculate precision and immaculate size that they were able to get to. But you got to remember, this is just the exterior wall. We still have the interior. That we gotta.
might be a W.
¿Me das mi barrita, María, por favor? Me arrimas a la cajita con los frames. Sí, abajo en el piso. It's about to go down right now. You hear that humming? That's where all them bees are at. Oh. Look at that. Look at that right here. Quítate el smoker there para agarrar one shot. Once again, be smart, be safe, and we're strong. Look at that. Sacúdete esas en la caja y entonces la penca en la... No, sacúdela nomás.
So does this have honey as well, or?
It has some, but it has sheetrock. Sí, métela. Dale el sacudido grueso. Se pegan todas las abejas. Yeah, it has some, but since the sheetrock that I cut through got into it, I wouldn't get that. Plus, you don't know how long it's been inside that wall. This is brand new, that's why it's white comb.
Yeah.
Keeps messaging me.
So how long will it take for the bees to leave
like
the?
That?
Yeah, to like,
Yeah, no. To build something like this would be, you're looking at the back, maybe about 3 years old or so, maybe a little bit longer, just because I haven't fully exposed the whole thing, so I can't. Once I'm done, I'll give you más o menos. ¿Pésame el smoker, por favor?
Here's a fun question for the audience. How many bees do you think are here?
In this one, I won't be able to tell you until I start going in there. I mean, I can give you a rough estimate, maybe 60,000 or so. A little bit more, I'll see right now once we uncover everything and we start putting them in the box. I think it'll be a little break. That smoke's getting too much.